do this.
Woo!
Wow.
Wow.
There
There
it
it is.
Flourishing on the Edge of Faith. Flourishing on the Edge of Faith. 7 practices for a new we. I love the cover finish. We have our beautiful flaps with the book description. The paper is so fresh and perfect. Our endorsements from people that I deeply respect. The dedication for Jane, who birthed me in divine belovedness and taught me to pray with Jesus. For Graham, who first believed in my writing and invested many years ago. For Dave, my pastor in exile. You've got books inside of you. For Joelle, Mark, Jenna, and Ty, our cherished eucatastrophe. For Lily, my lover, teacher, painter, and patronus. Seeing your face is like seeing the face of God. And it is.
So sweet.
Table of contents. Beautiful illustrations. I love each chapter begins with an original, beautiful artwork. And each chapter ends with a reminder of each practice through the original art. I love how it feels.
Yay.
And at the end, we have a guide for reading, breathing and praying, a study guide for conversation, contemplation, conversion, gratitude, the back. I love this. Thank you. Thank you, Kate. Thank you, Dave. Thank you, Lily. Thank you, dear friends.
So good. Too good.